Shanghai Jian and May Industry and Trade Company Ltd. carries out production and quality management in strict accordance with ISO 9001-2008 system. All the products start strict testing management when raw materials enter the factory. Each process passes regular self-inspection of workers, regular routing inspection of workshop quality inspector, and final inspection in testing center before packaging. Only the conforming products can enter the next process for subsequent production, while non-conforming products will be reworked or scrapped. JM's own laboratory has a variety of advanced quality testers, for example, projector, metalloscope, salt spray tester, universal tensile tester, Rockwell hardness tester, Brinell hardness tester, various standard go and no-go gauges, torque wrenches, attack speed tester, and other conventional measuring equipment. Each batch of JM exported products are attached with finished product testing report of the only batch number and the raw material quality inspection report from steel mill. It could be conveniently and effectively traced at any time. Furthermore, JM may find a third-party testing organization for testing and issue relevant testing report according to the needs of customers. JM is making unremitting efforts to provide customers with customized hardware parts with high quality and reasonable price. Choose JM is equal to choose reassurance.